I'm building Jarvis for a year. Here's a glimpse of the evolution. See how far we've come.
Welcome back. Good evening. Jarvis at your service. Please tell me, how can I help you? Welcome back. Hello sir, I am Jarvis, your virtual voice assistant. My name is Jarvis.
But this is different. The most advanced AI ever. Stay tuned for the full demo.
Hello sir, I am Jarvis. How may I assist you today?
Wake up, Jarvis.
Successfully unlocked. Now I am online. Allow me to introduce myself. I am Jarvis, a virtual artificial intelligence, and I'm here to assist you with a variety of tasks as best I can. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Importing all preferences from home interface systems are now fully operational.
Can you tell me today's news headlines?
Today's news are: first news is bye-bye bots. Altera's game-playing AI agents get backing from Eric Schmidt TechCrunch. Second news is $450 million for No Name, $2 billion rounds, and good news for crypto startups TechCrunch. Third news is watch, when did iPads get as expensive as MacBooks? Fourth news is Uber promises member exclusives as Uber One passes $1 billion run rate TechCrunch. Fifth news is check first raises $1.5 million pre-seed, applying AI to remote inspections and audits TechCrunch. Sixth news is UK challenger bank Monzo nabs another $190 million as US expansion beckons TechCrunch. Seventh news is iRobot names former Timex head Gary Cohen as CEO TechCrunch. Eighth news is Google DeepMind debuts huge AlphaFold update and free proteomics as a service web app TechCrunch. Ninth news is Microcycle uses mushrooms to upcycle old tires and construction waste TechCrunch. 10th news is controversial drone company Stend leans into defense with new $40 million round TechCrunch.
Can you take a screenshot now?
Screenshot taken.
Okay, can you tell me a short story or a poem?
Sure. Here's a short poem. In the valley of the stars above, a lonely creature roamed with love. Its heart filled with dreams and hope. As it searched for something to cope, it wandered through the fields and glades, and met with creatures of different fades. Some were kind and some were cruel, but this creature's spirit remained cool. With courage in its heart and soul, it faced each challenge, big and small, for with courage in our heart, we too can conquer every part.
I am bored. So can you tell me an interesting or a funny story? But it should be short.
Sure, here's a funny story for you. Once upon a time, a man walked into a bar and ordered a drink. The bartender, who was a bit of a prankster, decided to have some fun at the
2,000 years later.
From that day on, the man never ordered a drink at that bar again. He was too afraid that the bartender would spill water on him again.
Schedule an alarm for next 2 minutes later.
Alarm set for 2 a.m.
Okay, thank you. Can you tell me any business that can I start in only 10,000 rupees budget?
Of course. Here are a few ideas for businesses that you can start that require only a small amount of initial investment. 1. Virtual assistant services offer administrative support to small businesses or individuals who need assistance with tasks such as scheduling, email management, and data entry. You can start this business with minimal overhead costs, as you won't need a physical office space. 2. Freelance writing or graphic design. If you have strong writing or design skills, you can start a freelance business offering your services to clients on a project-by-project basis. You can work from home or from a co-working space, and you won't need to invest in expensive equipment. 3. Online tutoring or coaching. If you have expertise in a particular subject or skill, you can start an online tutoring or coaching business. You can advertise your services on platforms such as Upwork or Fiverr, or create your own website to market your services. 4. Social media management. Many small businesses and individuals struggle to manage their social media presence effectively. You can offer social media management services, such as creating and scheduling posts, responding to comments, and analyzing metrics. You can start this business with minimal overhead costs, as you won't need to invest in expensive equipment. 5. Etsy shop. If you have a talent for crafting or creating unique items, you can start an Etsy shop to sell your creations. You can start this business with minimal overhead costs, as you won't need a physical storefront. Remember, starting a business requires hard work and dedication. While these ideas may require minimal initial investment, you'll still need to put in time and effort to build a successful business. Good luck!
Thank you. Can you tell me how to write a code for a bubble sorting in a Python?
Sure, here's an implementation of the bubble sort algorithm in Python. Python. Def bubble underscore sort R. N equals len R. Hash traverse through all elements in the array. For I in range n. Hash last I elements are already sorted, so inner loop will go from 0 to n or I1. For j in range 0, n or I1. Hash swap if the element found is greater than the next element. If r, j plus 1. R, j. Alright, sir, let's get real with the YouTube grind. Consistency is king, but there are a few more factors to consider if you want to see that sweet growth on Techiral. Here's a breakdown of what you should focus on. Consistent uploads, 2 weeks is good, but aim for longer-term consistency. Quality content, make sure your videos are well edited, clear, and engaging. Engage with viewers, respond to comments and create content your audience loves. SEO, use keywords, catchy titles, and thumbnails to attract viewers. Promotion, share your videos on your social media platforms. Stick with these tips, and you'll start seeing growth on Techiral.
Please open my coding playlist.
Opening your coding playlist for you.
Also open my GitHub.
Opening the website.
Subscribe for part 2. Also watch my this playlist full of AI videos.